might be a little windy, so we'll see if this will work or not. But we've had 4.5 inches of rain over the last couple of days. It is a sloppy, muddy mess out here. So what's that mean for the farm? Well, it means we're kind of at a standstill. I can't really do much with the skid steer, because if I do, I'm going to tear up the ground. Can't really drive around the farm very much, because once I get off the gravel, truck's going to get stuck, and then skid steer's going to have to come out and drag it out and tear up the farm some more. So yeah, it's not much. But it's nice. We did need this rain. It would be nicer if it was, not 35, 38 degrees outside. It'd be nicer if it was like 60 or something, because that would really help the grass kick off and get going. But we needed the rain. We just didn't need this much this fast. So, I don't know. It is what it is. But, the creeks are up. The low water crossing near the house is impassable. Probably going to be impassable until the county fixes it. But that happens, yearly. That happens a couple times a year. So it is what it is. Brr, it's cold. I thought spring was here. Where's spring? So, yeah, it's nice to see flowing water again. And, I don't know. So, it's cold. There's not going to be much of this video. We're all pretty much just drowned rats out here right now. So, well, the pond's full. In fact, it's over full. I can't actually see the drain pipe, which I find pretty impressive. So, the drain should be 100% fully going. Let's see what the actual outside of the downspout looks like. Well, it's draining. The nice thing about this pond specifically is it's designed with two overflows. One, there's that pipe there that goes through the dam, so it kind of works as your overflow on your bathtub. It hits that spot and then it starts draining out down the creek. Because that's it. Right there. That is the other end of that drain pipe. So it's got a lot of weeds on it. I don't know if it's restricting the flow or not, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like it's still flowing really well. The other nice feature about this, the way this pond was designed, was over here in this corner, the road part of the dam actually dips down into that field. So if this drain pipe doesn't accommodate the amount of water, the water should go up into that field and divert and start flowing more around the pond into the creek. Hopefully it'll dry up soon. Hopefully we can actually start kicking off some of the big projects that we have planned for this year. But we'll see what the weather does. So I'm done with MD, Triple Creek. Good luck to you.